If you want to install the old windshield in the Unimog again, you have to equalize the residual adhesive bead to a thickness of 1 mm. Remove the residual adhesive material. If you're working on a heated windshield, reduce the adhesive bead over the flat cable to a 1 mm thickness. Do the same on the windshield frame. If the glass is glued again within 12 hours, a primer application is not required. Protect the windshield frame with edge protection in these places. Then attach the side pieces with glue. If the old edge protection is damaged, use new ones. After gluing, press down for at least 10 seconds. Attach the roof edge protection with butyl. If you install a new windshield, you get all the necessary parts in the glazing repair kit. Remove the access next to the flat cable. And check the new windshield for scratches or damage. When done, mount the connector housing to the leads of the flat cable. The rubber seal is next. Make sure that the seam is approximately 10 cm offset from the center of the windshield. Then attach the rubber seal. This works well when the bow is out. With soapy water, it's even easier. The next step is to cut 3 holes out of the rubber seal for water drainage. One in the middle, and the other 2 450 mm from the center. With a hole punch, cut holes with a 4.5 mm diameter. Then cut the rubber seal 7 mm deep. Then using pliers, cut out the 40 mm section. Before gluing the windshield, set some markers. Center the glass in the frame and attach the side with tape. Cut the tape and take the windshield out again. Before priming, wipe the adhesive surface with the cleaning cloth from the repair kit. Then wipe the flat cables on both sides. Shake the primer tube for at least 30 seconds. Apply the primer directly onto the adhesive surface next to the rubber seal. Primer the flat cable on both sides. After the application, wait 10 minutes so the primer can react. Before applying the adhesive bead on the glass, first squeeze 5 cm onto a piece of cardboard, because at the beginning, the components are still not properly mixed. Coat the flat cable on both sides. Then work with the gun and apply the adhesive bead right next to the rubber seal. Raise the adhesive bead at the corners and make sure it's straight at the end. The windshield must be installed within 5 minutes of applying the two-component adhesive. Orient yourself using the tape markers. Attach the clamping device and tighten it firmly behind the cab. Also use tape to make sure that the windshield is seated securely. Then check the adhesive bead from the cab. Leave the window open overnight to harden. You open the window so that when the door is closed, the air pressure doesn't press the glass out of position.